Early morning, screen glow on my face. Tiny prompts, building something great. One small line turns into a wave. Every click, saving one more day. You take the boring from my brain, give me space to dream again. Side by side, we write the change. Line by line, we shift the game, we code the future. Hand in hand, you read the pattern, I make the plan. Human heart and digital mind, turning all this time into time well designed. We code the future, watch us rise from every question of bright replies. Side by side, yeah, yeah, this is our way. AI and us, upgrading today. Fast feedback fixes while I speak. Big problems shrinking every week. Maps and models pointing out the path, freeing hours I can never get back. You take the busy from my day, give me room to solve and play. Side by side we move the way. Bit by bit we iterate, we code the future. Hand in hand, you read the pattern, I make the plan. Human heart and digital mind, turning all this time into time well designed. We code the future, watch us rise from every question to bright replies. Side by side, yeah, yeah, this is our way. AI and us, upgrading, updating today. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Not replacing, rearranging every task that kept us caged in. New ideas keep on racing. This is how the world starts changing. We code the future, hand in hand. You read the pattern, I make the plan. Human heart and digital mind, turning all this time into time